Hey guys, not just you here. I'm in Kowloon Bay right now. So if you can see from the caption that not Justin here, that means he's not the one to be filming this, making this video. And the train is about to enter. So I've waited the C train to leave. I don't know whether this one will be an M train, but we'll see. And it's an M train. Yeah, boy. Alright, so 431. Get in.
Please stand back from the train door.
Has not been making videos for some time already. Alright, the C train just departed. Maybe you should subscribe so he will upload videos more frequently. Another M train on the other side of the platform. Alright, you don't have to skip forward. So rumors say there's a second strongest motor on the Kwun line for this train. So or not. Alright, they're entering Kowloon Station. Kwun Station will skip forward. Oh, so fast.
Stand back from the tank roll.
You see, it usually does it. Stay at the corner of the train door. Oh, the strong motor is much louder with less people around.
Next station, Lam Tin.
We're not going so too far down yet. I don't have the time and I don't have the energy to do that. So we just drop off here, maybe? Right, Lam Tin station. We get off the train. So maybe like and subscribe, click on the notification bell so you can get notified when I post. Not I actually, when not me post. Waiting for the train to leave. Alright, so click on these videos on top, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.